Guys, we're inside a plane right now. We're going to Singapore. I'll stop recording and then I'll sleep when it's taking off. So look, there's an Air Jetstar over there. Airbus A320. First time being in Jetstar instead. It's my first time being in Jetstar instead of Cebu Pacific or others randomly over. Anyways, let's continue recording. Back to recording on. And look what they got. Look what they got on the menu. Cafe menu. They got drinks. They got they got more outside in here. They got more at the back. At the back. Kid snack. We got kid snack. The tea's kind of tasty because of the cookies there. And
ladies and gentlemen,
they got Pringles.
welcome aboard Jetstar Flight to Singapore. In preparation for our departure.
They got over here. They got instant meals. Instant chicken, instant tom yum, top vegetable flavored jasmine rice congee. And then they got the Pringles over here. And the Laughing Cow Keys dippers. That's the one of the most weirdest names, bruh.
They can interfere with our navigation.
Wait, let me do the rest of the back of the menu of this book. Look, oh my god, chips. Yeah, we already said that. I look at here, I look up here, and it's literally nothing on this part. Anyways, just close this. Kids neck. Just put it back. Come on. Just put it back. Stop wasting time and just come on now. I'm recording, Mom. I'm recording, Mom. Yes, I'm seriously recording that now. When it's taking off, I'm gonna stop recording. I already turned it on airplane mode.
Later.
It's too late. I already did. Oh, I see airplane. A light there. Look at that. Wait, is that Sirius A? The colorful star from Earth that we. No, I don't. No, I don't think so. Then maybe that's a plane. Because it's shining differently from Sirius A. I'm talking about the star. Ooh, seatbelts. Mom. Hold on, wait long. I just gotta put my belt on. Because I want to put my belt on now. Oh, the belt's right here. Hey, don't stop recording. Where's the belt? I think it's this one.
Yeah, this is mine.
I didn't know that. Oh my god.
Wait, you can just a minute.
Here or there?
This
Wait,
one nga. Wait.
Okay. I now know.
You adjust this so it's not too tight. Oh.
Alright, and there you go. My belt's on. Look at me. I have my belt on. I'm gonna make sure it doesn't stop recording when I flip my phone. Oh, they didn't stop recording. This is me right now. I just took a haircut. Not today. Maybe 2 days ago. I don't know. Anyways, I think we're gonna take off now. Yeah, it's taking off now. It's definitely taking off now. When it's on the runway, I'll stop recording, alright? So, Mom, how about when it's on Mom, how about when it's on the runway and I'll stop recording and then I'll sleep? It's nighttime right now, bro. Jets. I'm gonna say it again. There's another jet star. Oh, look, there's light. Why is there still light? Oh, come on. Mom, no. How about I start recording when the plane's on the run? Mom, how about when I stop recording when the plane's on the runway and then I'll sleep anytime. I'll sleep anytime as I want. Cause like I don't know what time to sleep. Oh, come on, just close it. Alright, there you go. How about I stop recording when it's on the runway and then I sleep when it's in the sky now?
Yeah.
How about that?
Okay.
I think it's about to move the plane.
Why is it still recording? Do that.
When it's on the runway, I'll stop recording. 7 minutes into the video, alright. Do something.
You stop and then
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Well, that was random.
Meet flight deck as senior first
Well,
officer
that was random.
in the cabin. We have a customer service manager.
Oh my god,
Tom,
stop.
and,
I stopped
yeah, for our
recording,
family,
bro.
we
Thank
have our
God.
Airbus 320 flight 3K 766 our service this evening from Manila back to Singapore.
Oh,
First and
air.
foremost, I'd like to sincerely apologize for the retiming of
absolute
our
air.
flight.
Oh, I
This
can't
was,
touch it
because of,
anymore.
operational
Because of my
requirement,
belt.
whereby we had a change in aircraft and your understanding.
I'm just gonna sit here recording until the plane's on the runway now.
Weather out of Manila is going to be cloudy, and it's going to be cloudy all the way until just before Singapore. So, in the interest of your safety, do have your seatbelt safely fastened whenever you are seated. Forecast weather for Singapore currently is for fine weather. First Officer Adrian will be flying us back to Singapore, and just prior to our descent, he will give you a better
Bombastic sideline.
for now, we're just waiting for the cargo doors to be closed, and we will sit back, relax, enjoy the Jetstar service once again.
Mom, so
Thank you, Ashley.
I
Cabin
want to
crew
look
outdoors for
outside
departure.
when we're in the sky. That's why I'm gonna sleep when we're in the sky. Okay? Oh yeah, I was recording too. Hey, why is there a crack? Is that hair? No, that isn't. Oh my god, bro.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Noor Asman, and I'm your customer service manager. On behalf of Captain Ashley Lim,
Oh my god, my shoelaces, they feel.
Crack and the rest of my team, we'd like to welcome you on board.
Oh my god, my shoelaces, bro.
766 6 bound for Singapore. Our
Why does it look like two eyes staring at me? And that looks like the mouse.
For your safety,
That
please
looks
ensure that your
creepy.
baggage is stored securely
Just
under the
ignore
seat
it.
in front of you or in the overhead compartments. Passengers seated at emergency row seats, which is row 1, 12,
What was
and
I doing,
13.
bro?
You must store
Let me do it again,
all baggage,
'cause,
including those
I don't know.
items in the overhead compartments for takeoff and landing. Mobile
10 minutes
phones
has
and
passed
other
by,
transmitting
alright.
devices,
No,
they can
no
be
takeoffs yet.
in our navigation instruments.
No,
Must be
no,
switched to
it's
the
not
flight
even
mode
moving
before
it,
we
but alright.
Headphones and portable chargers must not be used until after takeoff or when the seatbelt sign is turned off. Thank you.
Yo, it's getting brighter. Yo, it doesn't even look bright on the camera lenses. But it's bright in real life, but not even bright in camera lenses. Low taper fade all moment. Let me do it again. Low taper fade more.
Ladies
Low
and
taper
gentlemen,
fade all
this
moment.
evening you are traveling on an Airbus A320 and it is important that you are familiar with the safety features of this aircraft. Even if you have flight with Jetstar frequently,
feels
you will
spiky.
appreciate your attention for just a
My
few
hair
moments.
feels spiky.
Having your seatbelt done up low and tight is essential for takeoff. Turbulence,
Yo, they got-
to do it up, put the clasp the buckle and tighten and undo it by lifting the buckle flap. You should keep your seatbelt done up whenever you are seated, just in case any unexpected turbulence. In your
Yeah.
seat, you will find a safety briefing card that shows
Supposed to be a
and other
capybara.
important
I don't know.
information on what you should do in the unlikely
Fasten
event of an
seatbelt
emergency.
while
Please take a
seated.
moment to read it before
Oh,
we
what
take
happened
off.
to the word? I mean the letters
has
L
8
and
emergency
I.
exits. Look
Life
to
jacket
who is
under your
pointing to find
seats.
Your nearest exits. A
And
good way to
then that's
remember
what
is
it
to count the
says.
number of seats
What's
between
inside
you
that?
and the exits. The crew will
Oh,
also point
oh,
out
it's
lights
sure just
that
nothing.
edge the compartment
Bruh.
to the exits.
Oh, come on.
If we have
Why is
to
the
evacuate,
table
we
not?
must leave all cabin baggage behind. Remember that
Alright,
in
that's way
an
better.
emergency, it is the crew that will be most help to you, so follow their instructions.
I feel like it's gonna take
Should
off
oxygen
now.
be required, a mask will appear from above you. If facial mask is worn, remove it before putting on the oxygen mask. Pull the oxygen mask down firmly. Put it on quickly over your nose and mouth and tighten the strap. Once the mask is working properly, you can help others, including children. An inflatable life jacket is placed under your seat. To put it on, place it over your head and clip the waistband at the front. It has 2 red tags, mouthpieces for inflation, a whistle and light for attracting attention. You must only inflate your life jacket as you leave the aircraft. To prepare for takeoff, ensure that your seat back is upright, tray table is stowed away, and your window shades in the open position. Smoking, including smoking electronic cigarettes and vaping in any part of the
13
aircraft
minutes
is
passed by.
prohibited.
Oh my.
Smoking in the lavatories is unlimited the smoke lounge. Thank you for your attention and have a pleasant flight.
Water. So far. Ay, kung meron ka konti.
That's all.
There's
I
another
mean,
one,
that's
but
okay.
it's in the bag.
Jetty starty. I don't know what else to say, but alright, let me just close and then close and open. Close and then open up. me do something. You even see it, bro? It says hello. I can't even see it now, bro. But it says hello. You even see it now? I don't think so. Yeah, no, but let me just wipe it off.
Guys, excuse me, so I need the back to be on the same front.
My hair. Oh my god, one of my hair fell off. Oh my god, is that my hair? Yo, it is, maybe. But like, bro. Oh my god. Do you see that? Let me just drop it off. Making sure it's not on my handy dandy. Bibbidi bobbidi 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 bibbidi bobbidi bobbidi. 60 minutes passed by. Oh my god. Is this gonna be a 16 minutes video? How long is it? Mom, when are we gonna take off? Mom, when will we be on the runway now?
Almost. Just here. Be patient.
Okay. You want airplane mode?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Hear that noise? It's what I'm doing. Just scratching this part with the phone. I don't know why I did that. Scratching this part with the phone. I don't know why I'm doing that, but I'm gonna do it again. You hear it? I don't think so. Yo, it's moving! It's moving! So, once on the runway, it's gonna finally end now. It's gonna finally end now for once, bro. Like, bro, just wanna stop using the phone. Earlier I just had a headache, but it stopped. Even though it stopped, I still want to stop using this phone. Finally, bro. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look! Bye-bye! Shadow Story! V, upside down, V and upside down V. Whatever that, where is that? Oh, it's Vamos. All right. We're gonna take off. Actually, no, I should stop recording. Cause no reason. Bye.